one of the most American foods there is. And it's also a vegetable that is botanically a fruit. Squash. Now, the word squash comes from the Massachusetts Indian word ascoot a squash, which in English it means a green thing in raw. Now there are over 150 varieties. There's red curry, acorn squash, yellow crookneck, apple, delicata, there's the sepper, and then there's the patty pan. I could go on for hours. But the most well-known squashes to the average home cook would be the zucchini and butternut. Now, when shopping for squash, you should look for ones that have firm, not soft skins. And they should have no signs of discoloration. And for winter squashes, like melons, they should feel heavy for their size when you lift it up. Now for thin-skinned squashes like zucchini, it's okay to eat the peel and eat it raw or cooked. Now for thick, tough-skinned squashes like the pumpkin and buttercup, they should be peeled and cooked first before consumed. Now, either fresh or roasted, sauteed or pureed, in a soup or in a side dish, squash is more versatile in cooking than you could possibly imagine. You can even eat the seeds. Now go out there and celebrate the ever so famous American gourd that serves our country. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.